So we're going to start doing a westbound coming from 18th and Vine, going towards the westbound, the west side area, all the west side restaurants. We're about on 18th Street. Going west. It is First Fridays, August 4th, so you're going to see a lot of folks around. Again, 18th and westbound, around the different streets there. Again, lots to do, lots to eat, lots to see. Lots of food trucks around. Lots of great artwork. You'll see we're at Walnut, 18th and Walnut. Folks are out and about riding scooters. Here's where we turn going south to 18th. Again, lots of folks out and about enjoying the night. And there's a lot of stops that you can take advantage of. This next stop is probably where you can connect to the streetcar. I did a jump ahead a little bit. Manny's is around this area. Now we're sort of going catty corner, westbound again. And you'll see Manny's parking lot's right there. Might look familiar. Again, Lulu's. Cigar places around there. Got some coffee shops too as well. Again, you'll see parking is kind of crazy. That's where we take the bus. It's usually Lulu's in the background there. Another restaurant, Boulevard Tavern. This is looking north. We're going westbound. There's Town Topics. Again, westbound. This is kind of along Cesar Chavez, the 23rd Street. It's got a few names to it, but again, Town Topic. We're right on Broadway. I was looking northbound, but we're going westbound direction. This is at night on First Fridays, and you can also see there's I-35 for direction, kind of get your bearings. Get another bus stop. On the other side was you can see and then there's some cigar place right there. Folks hanging out, cigar and social. You can kind of see how parking could be an issue. There's I-35. We're going to go underneath I-35, westbound. Folks hanging out for still First Fridays. Tent set up still. This is around 9:45 p.m. Central. So almost 10 o'clock, pretty much. Some of the restaurants are either opening or closing. Some of the late night restaurants here. Tamale Place right there. Again, La Fonda's right there coming up. Another bus stops right here. Again, just really easy access to all this place. Now the 18X Crossroads connector stops at 10. This was not the last ride, but if you're using an app, you can, it will tell you if it's the last ride, which is around 10 o'clock, 10 p.m., going both directions. So again, First Fridays, lots of folks walking around, enjoying. Get some reflection from the glass there. La Bodega's on the other side, on the south side. But again, just wanted to, there's tacos, El Gallo's there. That's pretty open up pretty late. Pueblito's there. They got some soups, Tropicana, of course, ice creams. Plenty to eat right around that area. Late night snacks, taqueria, of course, late night. Going back underneath the railroad bridge, there's some galleries right there. Interesting area right there around 25th and Southwest Boulevard. There's a bus stop there too. Again, this is probably one of the last rides. It's around 10 o'clock, so just beware. Over it, there's a mural for your bearings. You can go a few more down to Quick Trip, but we stop around 27th Street stop. But again, I think the Burrito Man's down there, but after 10. But again, you'll have to find a different transportation to get back because a lot of those places start opening up at 10 p.m. There's a few more restaurants down the way here on Southwest Boulevard. You can kind of see the traffic and kind of get your bearings. All the breweries are pretty much closed. And then you'll need to find transportation back. But for us, we live around this area, so it works out pretty good.